Hello students, hello Manoj, hi, how are you? कैसी है जनता? So geared up for another beautiful session on experimentation, right? That is the session on how to series. How to series means इसमें हम आपको बताते हैं कि चीजें कैसे होती हैं, how things are happening, how you can create things. So this is a very beautiful session which you all would be enjoying for sure. So hello Manoj, hello Gaurang. Okay, I'm unable to read the names, but hi, hello, namaste, pranam. Welcome to all of you who were eagerly waiting for this particular session. In this session, I'm going to tell you how you can create a water heater at home, and that also by spending less than 30 rupees. Less than 30 rupees, you can create a water heater at home, and this is purely an experiment. We are not going to create a water heater for commercial purposes, but this is something which is connected to an experiment which you all would be enjoying. So before I move on to the start of the session, I would like to know that how many are geared up for the same, and are you noting this down or not? Show me some thumbs up, show me some smileys, and give some likes to session so that I could start, I could know that you all are geared up, right? You are ready? This is Navya. Okay, very good, Navya. Fine. So today we are going to do one experiment which will help us in creating a water heater. That is, we all know that winter is there. We are in habit of using different gadgets for heating up of water, for heating up of rooms, right? But today we will learn something which is related to very basic of all these gadgets which we are in habit of using at home. So I hope everyone is ready as you are posting, right? So let's start. And believe me, it's a matter of less than 30 rupees and less than 10 minutes actually. Right, in 10 minutes you can create a water heater. Fine, chaliye, so आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's explore some basics and then we will start with the construction which you all can watch live, and I shall be showing you that how we can create a water heater, and I would be using the same to heat up some of the water, right? Chaliye. So moving ahead. Okay. Parental advisory. Because electricity is involved, I request all the students, whenever you are performing this, please ensure that your parents are along with you, because playing with electricity is hazardous, and we are talking about 220 volts and we are not talking about battery or cells, right? So it may give you a shock if you won't be handling that properly, and blades are also involved which are sharp in nature. So I request, whenever you are trying this, please ensure that your parents are accompanying you, or some elder person is accompanying you who is well aware about how to handle electricity, right? So we are starting with the water heater concept, and I am telling again, this is very easy, which you all can create for your school projects also, right? So I am giving you the principle, I am giving you the structure of the basic water heater. You can then decorate the same accordingly, और जरूर अपने photos फिर post कीजिए comment box में जब आप उसको बना लें. So what all is required? पहले देखते हैं क्या क्या चाहिए. Well, you need 2 blades, you need some straws, you need wire, you need a glass of water, and you need plug. तो इनमें से क्या क्या घर में पड़ा हुआ है फटाफट बताइए. What all is available at your place? Quickly, I repeat, you need to have some blades, right? Basically 2 blades. You need to have some straws, you need to have wire, you need to have a plug, and you need to have a glass and water. So how many of these things are already available at your place? I guess most of these are already available at your place, right? Generally they are available. All, arey wah, very good, I can see all. Everything, arey superb. तो फिर तो आज ही बन जाएगा. Means the moment I will end up with the session, you can create the same at your place, and within 15 minutes you will be heating up the water actually, right? Your project will be done. Fine, excuse me. Chaliye, so let's move ahead. Okay, now before I move on to the project, you need to know this concept. These are few of the things which you are in habit of seeing. This is an iron rod through which we are in habit of heating up water in winter in buckets. Then we have got this element. Now this is a heating element of a geyser, right? You are in habit of using geyser, and as far as the geyser is concerned, in geyser we have got this heating element. And when we talk of iron rod, press बोलते हैं जिसको iron बोलते हैं, जिससे हम cloths को iron करते हैं, right? It has got a heating element like this. Whenever we talk of any such gadget which is producing heat, it has got an element known as heating element. Now the nature of heating element is that it gets heated up quickly. When we talk of a rod, immersion rod, right, which is used to heat up water, or when we talk of an iron, a press which is used for iron cloths, it has got a heating element, and same is the case with geyser also. Geyser has also got this coil which heats up and ultimately heats up the water. So every heating gadget has got what? That is heating element. That means our project needs to have some heating element, and we shall be using that heating element as, that is, blades. Oh. Fine, sorry for that, right? I wrongly touched the board, so that's why that happened. But chali, abhi ke liye. So I was explaining you about the heating element, right? So as far as any heating gadget is concerned, it requires heating element, and today we shall be using blades as the heating element, right? So moving ahead, right? For any heating gadget, heating element is must, and I'm going to use heating element as blades. So can I have those blades? Yes, I have got these blades. Have a look. These are normal blades. I hope that these are visible to you. These are normal blades which we are in habit of using at homes, right? So the cost of these blades is generally 2 rupees, right? So this is the blade which I am talking of. I hope that is clear, right? So this is the blade which I am using. This is a 2 rupee blade. I am using 2 such blades. So this is my heating element for today's water heater. I am going to use these 2 blades for creating a water heater. So what all is required, I have already told you. We need a wire. We need wire, right? Can I have some focus? And that wire should have some plug connected to it. You can connect that. Generally, these wires are available at a cost of 5 rupees per meter, right? Or are generally available at our home also. So I've just connected one plug. If you are aware of how to connect a plug, that is good. Otherwise, you can take help of your parents or some elder to connect a plug to this wire. So this is the first basic setup. That is, I'm having a wire and I'm having, that is, a plug. So one end of the wire is connected to the plug and the other end is like this. Now what I need to do? I've got this wire and I need to connect these 2 ends to these 2 blades. I need to connect these 2 ends to these 2 blades. Now, how things would be working, that is very important to know, because, please come on to full focus. When we are creating a device, it is very important to know that if you are connecting 2 wires to 2 blades and you connect that to the electricity panel, right, or the supply, and 2 blades, if they would be touching, there will be a short circuit. So we need to maintain certain gap between these 2 blades. तो इसको पहले समझिए अच्छे से. Yes. Now this is the diagram which you need to follow. This is the diagram which you need to follow. You can see there is electricity supply. There are 2 blades and 2 blades have been connected to wires, right? And the wire is connected to electricity supply. But you need to place some gap between these. When you are taking 2 blades, they may come together. If they will touch, there will be short circuiting and there will be boom. So for that, you need one insulator. Insulator is something जो electricity को pass नहीं होने देता. So you can use buttons like these. You can use buttons like this. Can I have some focus? I'm showing you some buttons which are generally available at your place. So yeah, now please keep this in focus only. So these are the buttons which I'm using. I hope these are visible, right? So I'm using these buttons as an insulator which are very, very short in size or small in size, right? Now what you need to do is you need to connect these 2 ends to these 2 blades, and then you need to keep these 2 blades close. You need to keep these 2 blades close and you need to maintain a constant gap between them. Now how to keep a constant gap between them? For that, I will show you the final thing. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. This is the final water heater. So simple. How? I have connected these 2 wires to 2 blades and I have placed 2 buttons and I have tied them with a thread. I have placed 2 buttons between these 2 blades and I have tied them with a thread and I have used some tape over here. I have used some tape over here. I repeat, I have connected 2 wires to 2 blades and I have kept these 2 blades closer, and as you can see, I have kept 2 buttons in between them and I have tied them with threads. Now this is my water heater. This is ready. But the question is, what is the usage of straws? Well, I will explain you that. What is the usage of straws? Now straws are very handy when you are having a wire. When you are having a wire, what you can do is you can cut a straw and you can use the same for many things. Yeah, can I have the full focus? Like the ends of the wires should be passed through these straws, because that will help you in getting some rigidity over here, and then you can place your blade over here. Not only that, for keeping gap between the blades, अगर आपको blades में gap रखना है तो उसके लिए भी आप straws को use कर सकते हैं. Like I have used buttons, you can even use straws. I will show you how. This is one blade, I am having a straw, I am pressing that straw so that I am in position to pass that straw through this blade, and then I am using another blade, I am again pressing the other side of this straw and I am passing that, right? And in this manner, once I've got two blades together, look now, two blades are quite close to each other, you need to bring them more closer, right? And then you need to connect these with the wires and your project is ready. Your project is ready. Means the task is to connect two blades to wires. Those two blades have an insulator in between them, right? So I will show you something, right? So if this is blade number 1, this is blade number 2, right? You need to place some insulator over here which keeps them away, and then you can use a thread for connecting these. Why so? Because otherwise two blades may go apart and it will take more time to heat up the water. They need to be placed quite close to each other. Generally, I prefer a distance of half a centimeter. A distance of half a centimeter is more than enough between two blades, and that can easily be maintained either through straw or you can use buttons also. So once you will do that, you would be having a structure like this. You would be having a plug at one end, you would be having two blades separated by two buttons, and your project is ready. But how it will be working? Well, what I will do over here is, now some precautions. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to take some water in a vessel, preferably glass vessel, not a metal vessel, not even a plastic vessel, right? It's better to go for a glass vessel. You need to take this, you need to immerse this in this. And once it is on, you need not to put your hand inside. The water will be having current. Moreover, this water will heat up, but it is not good for drinking. So need not to think that you will be making tea out of it. You would be drinking that because COVID is there and these days we need to drink hot water. No, not at all. This water won't be safe for drinking, right? It is a project and should not be used for commercial purposes, right? So I've got a plug. I've inserted these blades into the water and now I'm connecting this to electricity supply, right? And I hope when I switch on, the session keeps on moving, or boom now, right? I'm just joking. Nahi hona chahiye. If the things are okay, if the blades are not touching, if they will touch, there will be boom, there will be a short circuit. But if they are not touching, then everything will be fine. So the switch is on, the light is on, the light in the extension board is on. Now, well, that is not visible to you and I'm not going to touch this water, because if I will touch this water, तो कल का मेंटी जो मुझे लेना है वो मैं नहीं ले पाऊंगा, right? Because I would be getting a shock out of it. But this water is getting heated up. And you will see bubbles. Now, right now there are bubbles. I don't know whether they are visible in the camera or not, but bubbles will be there, and as the water is getting heated up, there are bubbles. Can I have more focus so that they are in position to see some bubbles if possible? Yes, bubbles are visible. Now you can see water is getting heated up. Look, I hope that is visible to everyone. Have a look at this place. Have a look. You can see bubbles. Yes or no? फटाफट chat में post कीजिए. Are you in position to see bubbles? Are you in position to see bubbles? Yes. So water is getting heated up. I repeat once again. Precaution, caution. गलती से भी पानी में हाथ नहीं डालना. It has got current, and it will be giving you a shock. So whenever you are experimenting this, you need to have your parents along with you while performing this experiment, right? Chali, you can see lot many bubbles. Now you can zoom out. Yes. So the water is getting heated up, and generally one glass of water gets heated up in approximately 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Generally, 1 glass of water, you can use a glass of water, right? But you need to take care that the whole apparatus is placed on a level surface. Otherwise, the wire will come out and you may get something wrong, right? I repeat once again, once the product is ready, you need to immerse those blades into the water, and then you need to give the supply or the current to the apparatus. And once it is going on, you need not to put your hand inside this water. It will give you a shock. Now what is happening? What is happening? Current is passing through one of the blade. That blade is acting as a heating element, and water is providing a resistance. Well, if you will see other gadgets, there is no gap between them. The heating element itself is a combined. Current is going from one side, it is passing through the heating element. As the heating element is very large in size, so that offers good amount of resistance, because of which there is no short circuiting. शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग कब होता है? जब करंट गया, उसने कोई काम नहीं किया और वो वापस आ गया और बूम हो गया. दैट इज शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग, राइट? आई रिपीट, when a gadget is not connected and current is just moving and completing the loop, it results in short circuiting. But if some gadget is there, some resistance is there, there will be no short circuiting. So when you are using any heating element or a heating gadget or a device, right, that gadget has got a coil which offers resistance, right, because of which there is no short circuiting. But here the element is very small. That element is a blade or two blades. So we are using the resistance of water. That's why they have been placed close, and insulator is there, right, which won't be allowing a short circuiting, and then the water will be getting heated up once the electricity passes through it, right? So now I'm switching off. I'm switching this off. I'm taking the plug out. I'm taking this out. I'm taking this out, and let me check. Oh, it is really heated up. It is really heated up, right? So you just need 1.5 minutes of time to heat up 1 glass of water, right? So obviously this is not visible to you, but you can perform the same at your place, and believe me, it is one of the most easiest experiment to do in concern to electricity. So if you are a 9th class, 10th class, 8th class, 7th class student or a 6th class student, you can easily do this with the help of your parents, right? तो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको और आगे बताता हूं in concern to this. Okay, yes, fine. So concept, blades are acting as a heating element. I have already explained. Blades are acting as a heating element. Separation between blades avoids short circuiting. Current flows through the blades, and then circuit gets completed through the water. I hope that is clear to all. Chaliye. Now you need to post in the comment box. I have a question for you. Heating element of an iron. Iron means a press, right, through which you are ironing your clothes, is made up of which material? Heating element of an iron is made up of which material? You need to post in the comment box. That's a question for all of you. So with this, I move on to the end part of this. I hope you all must have enjoyed. तो अगर आपने enjoy किया, फटाफट chat box में smiley बनाइए, thumbs up बनाइए, और थोड़े से session likes दीजिए ताकि मुझे पता चल जाए you have enjoyed the session. And do let me know whether you would be attempting this or not. I want to know whether you would be in position to attempt this or experiment this or not. That will be a great thing. And once you do so, do click a snap. Do click a snap and post the same in the comment box or share with us, right? I repeat once again, once you are done with the experiment, do click your pic and your project pic. Also, you can beautify the project by using waste material. Like what I have done over here is, with the help of straws, I have created this hanging apparatus. Now this is a simple box. I can pass my wire and blades through this, and then I can hang this, and the whole apparatus can be stored in this. So this is a simple apparatus which I have created because you need to beautify the project also. आपको project को beautify भी करना होता है, so that is important, right? You can create any box out of it and you can place the whole gadget inside it. What I mean to say is, this wire can be passed through this particular thing, and then this can be hanged through this, and this is purely waste. I have used just straws, I used a empty box, and I have just covered that. I hope that is clear. तो कितने बच्चों ने लाइक किया, कितने बच्चों को मजा आया, फटाफट बताइए, थोड़े लाइक दीजिए, स्माइली दीजिए, एंड वापस आइए on our another beautiful channel, that is Vedantu Olympiad School, because at 1:30 we are going to start with another beautiful session on Venn diagram. So if you are looking for learning in concern to Venn diagram, do come on another channel at 1:30 or 1:40, that is on Vedantu Olympiad School. So till then, keep on experimenting, keep on learning, and keep on learning at Vedantu. Bye for now. Take care.